Hello friends, this video how to make a WordPress website. How to build a website using WordPress in 10 steps here. Step 1, define your site. Step 2, choose a domain name. Step 3, here a web host. Step 4, install WordPress. Step 5, choose a WordPress theme. Step 6, configure your plugin. Step 3, complete your administrator page. Step 7, publish your content. Hostpapa.in. How to build a website using WordPress in 10 steps. Hostpapa. Can you make a WordPress website for free? How do I build a WordPress website for the first time? How to create a WordPress website for beginners free? How to create a WordPress website for beginners? How to create a WordPress website for beginners PDF. Arrange the step to create a WordPress website in the correct order. How to make a WordPress website 2021. How to create website in WordPress for free. WordPress.com. WordPress website builder. Build your dream website. WordPress.com gives you all the building blocks to create a website for any type of business. Choose for 60 styles depending on the content and how to build a WordPress website in 2021 in 6 steps and A to Z guide. Library. Choose your domain name, acquire website hosting, get